Join me as I take on the challenge of capturing the most breathtaking travel shots using the DJI Air's drone. In this video, you'll discover the incredible capabilities of the DJI Air's drone and how it transforms your travel photography and videography. Many travelers struggle to capture the true essence of their adventures. Traditional cameras can't always provide the unique perspectives that a drone can. I mean, think about it, when you're on a trip, you're often limited to shooting from ground level, which can get boring after a while. Your photos and videos start to look like everyone else's. That's where the DJI Air comes in. It's a game changer for travel photographers and videographers. The drone's ability to soar above the crowds and capture stunning aerial footage is a total game changer. Plus, it's super easy to use, even if you're new to drone photography. I've used it to capture some truly unique shots on my travels, and I'm excited to share them with you. From sweeping landscapes to vibrant cityscapes, the DJI Air's drone helps you tell a more compelling story about your travels. And let's not forget about the fun factor: flying a drone is a blast. Explore various travel destinations where the DJI Air's drone shines, showcasing sample footage and discussing its features like obstacle avoidance and long battery life. For example, I took the drone to the beautiful beaches of Bali, where its obstacle avoidance feature came in handy when dodging palm trees and other aerial obstacles. The drone's long battery life also allowed me to capture an entire day's worth of footage without needing to recharge. And the image quality? Absolutely stunning. The 4K resolution and 60 FPS frame rate make for some seriously smooth and vibrant footage. One of my favorite features of the DJI Air is its ability to fly smoothly and quietly, even in windy conditions. This made it a breeze to capture stunning footage of the mountains in New Zealand. The drone's compact design also makes it easy to take on the go, which is perfect for travelers like me who are always on the move. I was able to capture some amazing shots of the cityscapes in Tokyo, and the drone's small size allowed me to get into tight spaces that would be impossible to access with a traditional camera. Reveal an awe-inspiring montage of breathtaking travel shots captured by the DJI Air, highlighting its stunning image quality and versatility. As you can see, the drone's image quality is simply stunning. The colors are vibrant, the details are crisp, and the footage is smooth. The DJI Air is capable of capturing some truly breathtaking shots, from sweeping aerials to intimate close-ups. And with its advanced features like active track and hyperlight, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, the DJI Air's drone is an incredible tool for capturing your travels. I've used it to create some of my most memorable content, and I'm sure you will too. The montage you're about to see is just a taste of what's possible with the DJI Air. I hope it inspires you to take your travel photography to new heights. Summarize the key advantages of using the DJI Air for travel photography, emphasizing how it elevates your storytelling and memories. With the DJI Air, you can capture stunning aerial footage, enjoy long battery life, and take advantage of advanced features like obstacle avoidance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos on drone photography tips and travel adventures. DJI Air 3S Fly More Combo, drone with 1-inch CMOS wide-angle and medium tele camera for adults, 4K/60 FPS, omnidirectional sensing and 3 batteries for extended flight time. Brand DJI. Model name DJI Air 3S RC2. Special feature: forward-facing LiDAR sensor, multiple pre-programmed flight modes, up to 45 minutes of flight time, 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color modes, day and night omnidirectional avoidance. Forward-facing LiDAR sensor, multiple pre-programmed flight modes, up to 45 minutes of flight time, 10-bit. Color gray. Video capture resolution 4K. Effective still resolution 48 MP. Connectivity technology: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Included components: DJI Shoulder Bag X1, DJI Air 3S Gimbal Protector X1, Type-C to Type-C PD cable X1, DJI Air 3S Intelligent Flight Battery X3, DJI Air 3S X1, DJI Air 3 Series Battery Charging Hub X1, DJI RC2 Remote Controller X1, DJI Air 3S ND Filter Set X1, DJI Air 3 Series Spare Low Noise Propellers G Shoulder Bag X1, DJI Air 3S Gimbal Protector X1, Type-C to Type-C PD cable X1, DJI Air 3S Intelligent Flight Battery. Skill level: all. Item weight: 724 grams. Enhanced camera for travel shots. Air 3S's 1-inch CMOS primary camera delivers breathtaking shots with enriched detail in low-light scenarios like sunsets and nightscapes. capture footage with vibrant detail, record cinematic 4K/60 FPS HDR video with up to 14 stops of dynamic range to see intricate cloud textures and other details during sunrise and sunset. Free panorama mode, create seamless panoramic shots by stitching together images. Wide-angle panos offer a wider scope for selection, medium tele panos provide high detail and less distortion. Safer nighttime flying, forward-facing LiDAR and additional sensors enable nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing, allowing your drone to circumvent buildings while flying. Next General Smart Return to Home, powerful upgraded algorithms allow the Air 3S to intelligently select the optimal RTH route and quickly fly back to the home point, even in weak GPS signal areas. Extended flight and video transmission. Enjoy greater creative freedom with a 45-minute max flight time and 20 kilometers of video transmission, giving you time to scout locations, nail your shot, and return to home. Includes Air 3S, 3 intelligent flight batteries, 1 battery charging hub, an ND filter set, and a DJI RC2 remote controller with a large and bright screen for an enhanced flight experience. Charge battery charger sold separately. It is recommended to purchase the DJI 65 watts portable charger. Free panorama. Free panorama mode lets you create seamless panoramic shots by manually selecting an area to stitch together. Wide-angle panos offer a wider scope for selection, while medium tele panos provide high detail and less distortion. Active. Track 360 degrees. Make your content stand out with Active Track 360 degrees. Keep the subject in focus even if the lower half of their body is obstructed from the camera's view. Active Track 360 degrees can keep a subject in focus when shooting in complex environments like dense woods or over bridges. Smart RTH for travel photography. Air 3S memorizes flight paths when adequate lighting is available. Smart RTH ensures a safe return for your drone, even with a weak GPS signal. LiDAR and low-light sensors can also detect obstacles and navigate the Air 3S around them. Hyperlapse. Select from 4 options, free, circle, course lock, and waypoint, to capture time-lapse footage at up to 4K horizontally or 2.7K vertically. The waiting time for image synthesis has been dramatically reduced for a smoother experience. One-tap edit. The DJI Fly app uses algorithms to identify smooth camera movement and cut videos into shorter clips. It selects the best clips, matches them with templates and music, and enhances the video with appropriate sound effects. Enhanced Vision Assist. A new downward view, in addition to the front, back, left, and right views, helps you better understand your surroundings. Use waypoint flight and cruise control to preset flight paths and camera actions and quickly lock control stick inputs to unleash creativity. 1. The DJI Air 3S Fly More combo features a 1-inch CMOS camera for high-quality travel shots, capturing 4K/60 FPS HDR video with vibrant detail and dynamic range. 2. It includes a forward-facing LiDAR sensor and omnidirectional obstacle sensing for safer nighttime flying and intelligent smart return-to-home functionality. 3. The drone offers extended flight time of up to 45 minutes and 20 kilometers video transmission for creative freedom and efficient location scouting. 4. The package includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, a battery charging hub, ND filter set, and a DJI RC2 remote controller with a large screen. 5. Free panorama mode allows seamless panoramic shots with wide-angle and medium tele options for varied detail and distortion levels. 6. Active Track 360 degrees keeps subjects in focus in complex environments, enhancing content creation. 7. Hyperlapse mode offers 4 options for capturing time-lapse footage, with reduced waiting time for image synthesis. 8. The DJI Fly app provides one-tap editing, selecting the best clips and enhancing videos with templates and sound effects. 9. Enhanced Vision Assist includes a new downward view and preset flight paths with waypoint flight and cruise control for creative exploration.